In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images to Microsoft Copilot Mobile. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap and how to add one or several pictures so Copilot can reference them in your conversation. This is quick, straightforward, and perfect when you want Copilot to look at a photo for context, ideas, or explanations. Start by opening your Microsoft Copilot mobile app. Give it a moment to load the home screen so you're looking at the conversation area. You'll notice the message box at the bottom of the screen. Right next to it is a small plus icon. That plus icon is your shortcut to adding things to your chat. Tap the plus icon and a small menu will appear with options. From there, tap Photos. This opens your device's photo library so you can browse your recent shots, albums, or media folders. If your phone shows a simple prompt about access to your photos, that's normal for any app that needs to read your gallery and helps Copilot work with your images securely. Now select the photos you want to upload. You can choose a single image if you're focusing on one item, or pick multiple photos if you want Copilot to consider them together. This is especially helpful when you're comparing versions, showing different angles, or providing more context. Take a second to make sure the previews match what you have in mind. If you accidentally pick one, just deselect it before you finish. When you're happy with your selection, tap Add. Your chosen images will appear attached in the chat area right above the message box. This is your confirmation that they've been successfully added. At this point, you can see the thumbnails and know they're ready for Copilot to reference. If your screen looks slightly different, don't worry. App layouts can vary a bit across devices and updates, but the process is the same. Open Copilot, tap the plus, choose Photos, select what you need, and tap Add. A quick recap: open the Microsoft Copilot mobile app, tap the plus icon beside the message box, tap Photos, select one or multiple pictures, and tap Add. That's all it takes. Keep your images clear and well lit for the best results when Copilot interprets them, and consider grouping related photos together if you want Copilot to analyze them in one go. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.